In this question, the principal explains to us about the concept of right of private defense and when it can be exercised. The principal further provides that the right in no case extends to the inflicting of more harm than it is necessary for the purpose of the defense. Now, the facts in the present question are: John and Paul were best friends, but both were in love with the same girl. One day, a heated argument took place between them in the college canteen, and the friends around intervened and stopped the argument from getting worse. 2 days later, John, accompanied with his 15 friends armed with weapons, reached Paul's residence and started abusing him from outside his house. On seeing such an angry mob, Paul threw hot boiling water on them from the balcony, resulting in severe burn injuries to 3 people in the mob. So in this question, we need to decide the liability of Paul. That is, whether Paul will be liable for the injury caused to the 3 people in the mob or not. So in this question, the correct answer is A. That is, Paul is liable since he inflicted more danger than what was actually required. The reason why A is the right answer is that the principle clearly states that the principle in the second point states that the right in no case extends to the inflicting of more harm than it is necessary for the purpose of defense. Now, if we apply this part of the principle to the given set of facts, we come to know that 2 days later, when John, accompanied with his 15 friends, reached Paul's residence, he was merely standing outside Paul's house and was abusing him. Therefore, there was no grave threat, as is clear from the facts. Therefore, what we can say is the throwing of hot boiling water by Paul on John and his friends was completely uncalled for. Paul, in this particular set of facts, could have used any other method to save himself. He could have called the cops, or he could have used any other method, but throwing of this hot boiling water on the friends of John and John himself was not appropriate, making Paul liable for the offense of inflicting more danger than what was actually required. So hence, by applying the principle which is appended with the question to the present state of facts, we can say that A is the right answer.